In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your projects in Adobe Express. If you've already created designs before and want to get back to them quickly, Adobe Express makes that pretty simple. Once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to locate your saved projects so you can open them and continue editing without wasting time. To begin, sign in to Adobe Express. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so the projects you've previously worked on will appear. Once you're inside the main workspace, take a moment to look over the layout on your screen. Next, move your attention to the toolbar on the left-hand side. In that left panel, find the option called Your Stuff and select it. This is the area where Adobe Express stores your personal content, including the projects you've saved. If you've never used this section before, think of it as your central library for the work you've created. After opening your stuff, you can start browsing through your saved items. Depending on what appears on your screen, you may see different categories across the top. If there's a Projects tab available, click on that to narrow the view and display only your projects. This can be especially helpful if you have lots of files saved and want to avoid scrolling through other types of content. If you already know the name of the project you're looking for, you can save even more time by using the search bar. Simply type in the project name, or even part of it, and Adobe Express will help filter the results. This is a great option when you have a long list of designs and need to locate one specific file quickly. Once you find the project you want, click on it to open it. Adobe Express will load the design so you can jump right back in and continue editing where you left off. From there, you can make updates, add new elements, or finish your work just as you normally would. And that's it. Finding your projects in Adobe Express is really just a matter of signing in, opening your stuff, browsing or searching for the file you need, and selecting it to continue editing. If you work on multiple designs regularly, using the Projects tab and search bar can make this process much faster and easier every time.